In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify login problems. If you're stuck at the login screen or your credentials just won't work, don't worry. This walkthrough will quickly get you back into your account. We'll start with the simplest checks, then move through a few reliable fixes. Follow along in order, and you'll most likely resolve the issue in just a few minutes. First, check the basics. Head to the official Shopify login page in your browser and carefully enter your email and password. Slow down for a second here. Autofill can easily insert an old email or a mistyped password, so delete any pre-filled text and retype both fields by hand. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and keep an eye out for extra spaces before or after your email address. If you copy and paste your email, double check that no hidden characters were included. Also confirm your internet connection is stable. A quick page refresh can help, and if your network is spotty, switching from public Wi-Fi to a more reliable connection can prevent timeouts. If your password still isn't working, reset it. On the login page, click Forgot Password, enter the email you use for Shopify, and then look for the reset message in your inbox. If it doesn't appear right away, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email on the same device you're using to log in, click the reset link, and create a new, strong password you'll remember. Keep in mind these links are time sensitive, so use it promptly after it arrives. Next, clear your browser cache. Caches store old files to speed up browsing, but outdated data can cause login loops and form errors. In your browser settings, whether you're on Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge, find the option to clear cached images and files. You don't need to erase saved passwords for this step. Focus on cached data. Once cleared, close and reopen the browser, return to the Shopify login page, and try signing in again. Finally, disable browser extensions. Tools like ad blockers or password managers can sometimes interfere with login pages. Open your browser's extensions or add-ons area and toggle them off temporarily. Refresh the Shopify login page and attempt to sign in. If it works, re-enable your extensions one at a time later to identify the one causing the conflict. These steps usually resolve most login issues quickly, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.